We are back with another unboxing with Ozzy. We got this super cute package from a company called Mavy James. They sell luxury baby skincare products. They're a small business based out of California, and you can see their packaging is so cute. They sent us 2 products. First up is their baby powder. It's made out of 5 simple ingredients and it smells so good, kind of like lavendery. And then you have their baby body butter, which is super creamy and really awesome because Ozzy's got some eczema, so both products are really great for her skin. So if you're looking for some really great products for your baby with limited ingredients and organic and natural, you should definitely check them out.